7 questions with a superstar. Hello.
I. That's what I think. I is me.
Question number 2. What do you value the most?
My family and God.
Number 3. What do you value the least?
Other people's opinions.
Question number 4. What culture do you come from?
Black Southern American.
Number 5. How well do you know yourself?
I guess on a scale from 1 to 10, I would say about an 8.
Question number 6. How was the universe created?
Big Bang. Some God.
Question number 7. What is the universe?